Oh, you know what time it is. Rosemary, you rock art. Oh my gosh. Come on, guys, start joining in. It's a lot of fun. Get a coloring book that you like, you enjoy, and hashtag color with you rock art. Oh my. A great, great channel and some great art. Let's see what we can do this week. Let's see what Grandma did this week. Come on, start joining in. It's every week on Wednesday. And you can color anything you want. You can join in once in a while or join in every single week. Whatever makes you happy. I wanted to share with you 3 of my wonderful pages that I finished this week and all the wonderful books that we're doing. Well, this is one that I finished this week. I thought it turned out so pretty, and as you can see, I did color the background on this one. And I thought it turned out really, really nice. Let me know what you thought. Did you enjoy it or not? This is the second one that I finished, and I do think they look better once I do the backgrounds. So I may go back and do all the backgrounds in the past ones that I've done. So let me know which one of the 3 were your favorite. I was super, super happy how they all turned out. I think this was my favorite one out of the 3 that I did. But you let me know which is your favorite. I think what I really liked on this one, I loved how the flowers all turned out pretty good, and I really liked the orange and yellow. They popped right off the page. Really enjoyed it. Let me know what you thought. And of course, the butterfly turned out pretty good along with my birds. Super happy with this page. This was my favorite. Let me know what you thought.